Hey guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace my badge on my BMW E30. So yes, you can see it's a bit worn. So I guess it's just time to get this badge replaced. I got this badge off from eBay for only £5. I'm gonna replace them and I'm gonna show you the process how I do it. It's a very easy job to do. All you need is a bit of soap water, there it is, glue, a flat screwdriver and microfiber cloth just to clean anything, any dirt or whatever just behind the badge. So let's get started. So what I like to do is wrap up the flat screwdriver with the cloth so you don't scratch the paint. Yeah, this is already coming off, so it should be easy enough. There you go, it's off. So what we're gonna do now is of course clean up this before we replace with a new badge. So the way we're gonna do it is I'm gonna use a bit of soap water, cloth, and just give it a little clean. So as you can see, this is pretty clean, so I'm just gonna wait for it to dry. After that, just replace it with a brand new badge. So while we are waiting for the back badge to dry, let's go to the front one and remove the front badge. Now I'm just gonna quickly clean this up, dry it, and after the new badge is ready to go. I don't know what this is. This is some serious glue. No, it doesn't want to come off. So while I wait for it to dry, let me just go and get the back badge replaced. So you can see it's pretty clean and dry now. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna get the glue, put a bit of glue on the new badge and just replace it. The badge now been replaced, so I will just wait for it to dry, probably 20 to half an hour. There it is, the badge has been replaced. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, it's the most easiest job you can do. It only cost you £5 and 5 minutes. That's all it is. Just look at it. I think it just looks brilliant. Anyways, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have, just do make sure to press the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you have subscribed. and I would see you for next time.